My friends, the integral of secant squared x is tan x plus the integration constant. You might know that the derivative of tan x is secant squared x. Maybe you had to memorize it in Calc 1, but I'm going to evaluate this integral without knowing the answer a priori. And to do that, we'll use the trig identity, secant squared x equals 1 plus tan squared x, and then convert the tan into sines and cosines and substitute that in to secant squared x, which we did right here. And now we'll split this integral up into two terms using the linearity of integrals. And at this point, we've got two terms, and the integral of dx, that's our friend. It's just x. We'll deal with the integration constant later. But this integral of sine squared x over cos squared x, we're going to use integration by parts. I know, but it works. So what we're going to use is set u equal to sine of x, and we'll set dv equal to sine x over cos squared x. And if we take the derivative to get du, that's cos x, and then integrate. The integral of dv is v. The integral of this stuff, if we look at it, you see the derivative of cos is sine. So we're going to use a substitution, a u substitution, except we're already using u, so we're going to use a different variable m, set m equal to cos x, and then if we take the derivative, dm equals negative sine x dx, and this we can substitute in. See this? Sine x dx equals to negative dm, and that's what we're substituting in. Negative dm is sine x dx, and m is cos x, so it's 1 over m squared. Hope you can see that, because check this integral out. We can now use the reverse power rule to integrate this away. It's just 1 over m. M is cos. And we can substitute this and our other stuff into our integration by parts formula. U times v is sine x times 1 over cos x, because that's v, minus the integral of v du. And here's our v, 1 over cos x, and du is cos x dx. And we can clean this up a little bit. The sine over the cos, we'll just put those together. And this integral here on the right, we have cos x over cos x. That just makes 1. So it's minus the integral of dx, which we've already done, which is x. And positive x cancels out with negative x. And that's literally our answer. We're done. Sine over cos is tan. So the integral of secant squared x is tan x plus our integration constant. All right, let's go on to the next integral.